Sam the Shetland, who lives in Colorado, is getting his first haircut in over 3 years. Sam is a rescue sheep, and his forever home called me to give him a fresh cut for the summer. And of course, his buddy needs to watch. I start by removing all those mats from his belly and then clean up his crutch before moving into the first hip. Overgrown sheep are incredibly difficult to shear. Not only are their fleeces incredibly matted, but they're full of vegetation, oils, and dirt. Not only are their mats very difficult to cut through, but the fleece is so heavy that it pulls on their skin, and it takes a lot of concentration for me not to nick them when this happens. In the wild, sheep would shed their winter coat, but through domestication, humans have selected against this trait so that we could harvest their wool, and now shearing wool sheep must happen. If not, they could die from starvation or heat stroke. This fleece is enormous, and I know I wouldn't want to carry it around all summer. If you look at the fiber, you can see the years like rings in a tree. So the next person who says that sheep don't need to be shorn, tell them about